A customer requested a Nipsey Hustle picture. Let's get to work. Print your image and don't forget to mirror it. Grab your sub paper. Let's laminate the canvas first. Cut your butcher paper and place canvas on heat press. Set your temperature to 370 degrees and press for 30 seconds. Trim your canvas and secure with heat tape. Set your heat press to 50 seconds and press again. It's hot. But look at those colors. Time to design the frame. We're going to add lights. And of course, some bling. I'm going to cover the lights with some Crystal Rhinestone wrap. Almost done. Let's add the gems. Close your frame and glue your lights down. Wow, now that's nice. Customize your order today at WeSlayGlam.com.